we're gonna make some pomegranate juice with some pomegranate seeds, of course. I will attach a video on how to remove the seeds of a pomegranate fruit. It's very simple, a little intimidating. It's not, it's easy. So now we'll make some juice. So I'm just going to put the seeds inside my blender. Pomegranate is loaded in antioxidants. I am listing the benefits for you right here. This will stain your clothes, by the way, so don't use white. So we're going to blend this, but we don't want to pulverize the seeds. We just want the juice, so we're not going to overdo it. That's about it, guys. We're simply going to strain it into our glass. We're gonna press the fruit against the strainer, guys. I'm using a tiny one just for effect, you know. You can be smarter than me. You know how much a bottle of pomegranate juice costs? It's so expensive, guys. Pomegranates are in season right now. They're not expensive. And this glass is just full of goodness for you. Full, 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 full. Isn't that beautiful, guys? If you find this to be too strong, too concentrated, you can use half of this and add water to it. Sparkling water, regular water, whatever you want. I like it like this. Oh, it is delicious. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.